Yes, gang, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We Are Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. ZN. I'm your host, Phoenix the Fireboy, aka CP Company. See what I did there? And this is another episode of 2 Feet Bare Creps. You already know how we do it. Let's not waste no time and let's get straight into it. And you know how we do it. You've got to drop it like it's hard. Drop it like it's hard. Oh Lord. Let me just show you what we got here. Okay, what's that? That's a super company, cheapy company bag. And in said cheapy company bag, what have I got there? A little totage, a little CP company tote. You know what I mean? Bit of totage. Just put that down there. Got a nice box. Got a receipt. Put that down there. And let me just show you what we got here. As you can see, my beautiful people, an ADIDAS SPEZIAL box in that fetching camo. You know what I mean? Toy soldiers and all of that. And all of that. There, you got the little Adi logo right there. You got the ADIDAS SPEZIAL logo right there. You've got the CP company logo right there. And here, this tells you what we have. We have, let me just give you that. I'm going to tell you. What we have, gang, is an Italia CP SPEZIAL. And this is a UK8. Unfortunately, I couldn't get my size. I'm a UK 10. So, notification, if anyone's got a UK 10, please hit me up. I'm not trying to pay resale prices like that. Hopefully, I can do a swizz up for these. But anyway, let's not waste any time. Let's get straight into this. You didn't come here to hear me waffle. You came to see the crepalages. Oh shit, look at that. Oh shit. I love when you open a box and there's other accoutrements. Let's bring it out and we'll do what we came to do. Oh, we got a fucking beautiful, pardon mon français, SPEZIAL. See that? ADIDAS SPEZIAL, cheapy company. We got ADIDAS Special, CP company, dust bag. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Of course, you got the papier. You know we live for a bit of papier when we are looking at papier. Who knows what I'm saying? I don't know what I'm saying. Do you know what I'm saying? Not I. Anyway, guys, I'm a bit crazy right now. Please excuse me. 1 foot, 2 foot. Don't think it's finished, because it isn't. Let's just pull this out right here. And as you can see, papier, like I said, you know, we love a bit of that old script. I'm just gonna fold this over, boom, 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 boom. Put this in and we will get into the shoe. You know how we do. I'm gonna give you the little twirlage and you're gonna tell me what we think. Look, boom. Ooh, yes. You see them colors. You see what's going on here. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Alright guys, let's get into it. Right foot. Size 8. As I put these in hand, I'm really annoyed that these are not my size. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, let's get into it. This is an ADIDAS Italia SPEZIAL CP company collaboration. Okay, midsole, you have this obviously fetching Italia combination of red, white and green. As you can see, the tricolor colors right there, looking resplendent and beautiful. So as you can see, you've got the red line which starts from all the way there, goes all the way around, and then it's gradiated by this white stripe right there which goes all the way around, and then you've got the green. I'll just give you that there as you see as we turn it around, and that is broken up by this toe. What would you call this bit? It's not the toe box. This toe, I guess you call it the toe the toe front. I don't know, I make this shit up as I go along, but that toe front moving up onto the toe box, and that toe front's in a sort of cream right there. That's cream, and then you've got this suede. It's actually really soft suede. You've got this nice soft suede toe box right there, which then leads onto the plush soft very, very, I don't know if you can pick that up, but very, very buttress garlic, buttress, buttery suede. I'm not saying it's the most buttery suede I've ever felt, but the suede is of a good good consistency. Sorry, not suede, leather. The leather is of a great consistency, very nice indeed. And now we have these, I do believe they might be, I'm not sure if that's a suede, but the 3 stripes here, they may look, if you see closely, I think they might be, let's just see, boom, 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 boom. I'm not sure, but they kind of feel feltish. I'm not sure what that is. It could be a suede, but I'm not quite sure. Very soft to the touch though. As you see, this is the right hand side shoe. As you can see there, right there, it says CP Company 50, which is CP Company 50 or 50th year. You've got this nice tongue right here, which is kind of like a what would I call it? It's got like a sort of plastic overlay, I guess, maybe like a patent leather, would you say, like a patent leather overlay right there, and that says ADIDAS SPEZIAL in the gold writing. Very nice. And of course, once again, you have that soft to the touch, super soft leather tongue. Of course, you've got white laces, nothing too special, they're more on your cream side. You have the CP Company 50 hang tag right there, which is a very nice touch. Of course, you've got your hang tags, sorry, your indication tags right there, which let you know what shoe it is, what size, etc. Inside, as you can see, you have the CP Company SPEZIAL right in there, and that goes all the way through. This isn't removable, so I'm not even going to begin to try and remove it. Let's look at the left hand side. There's a few subtle differences, like of course right there you have the Italia ADIDAS in gold, whereas on the other shoe you have the CP Company 50. What you have here, to differentiate, although you have the ADIDAS Italia right there, you have the CP Company 50 right there, and although you have the CP Company 50 right there, you have the ADIDAS SPEZIAL right there. So nice little touches which they're giving us, do you know what I mean? Just little well thought out things, just to sort of differentiate but also incorporate. See what I did there? Differentiate, incorporate. Okay, you have this spare set of laces, which is always a good sign, with that nice ADIDAS trefoil and ADIDAS spell out. That's just a piece of paper and laces just in. That's more forest green, not quite the same green of that, more a forest green. As you can see, the differential in the colors, that color is to match the sole. Do you see that there? That sole, let me just give you a bit more sole, and the lace, you can see they are matching. That lace isn't matching, but you bring that on top and that's a beautiful thing. I know some people might think, oh, why would I use green laces? Ooh, but you know, I'm from a different school, so I mix up and flicks up. To be honest, once I get my size in these, I'm looking for some fat laces, like fat laces, so I can do it like I would do some shell toes, and I just want to see how that lays down with the shoe. Of course, we can't go anywhere until I show you this beautiful crop circle right there. As you can see, the sole gives you that beautiful crop circle pattern, so if you are in the field, you will definitely be making a mark. Beautiful, 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 beautiful pattern. I'll just give you some close-ups right there. You know, it's like you got the pyramid scheme right there, you know what I'm saying? And that is looking mad beautiful, you know? Look at that. Let's get too close. Yeah, boom. So you got those beautiful soles right there. Really beautiful pair. Again, the leather is super soft, I'm not gonna lie. There's a few little bits falling off, not falling off, just the suede, like a bit of excess hairage on the top bit, so which has come onto this, but you get a little toothbrush, just brush it off, you are good to go. And really guys, that is it. I'm going to just show you a couple little extra bits. Now, it comes with this. Now you're thinking, what the hell is this? Let me just give you a little... You see right there, I don't know if it says anything upside down, but I think it's got the product number right there. And here you go, a spare set, this is just one, but a spare set of soles. So if your shoe ever, you know, if you've used this shoe to the ground, you know, the premise being that, you know, these are made to last, and if you use your other one down to the ground, then you can change the soles, you know, because the uppers should still be giving you life. That's crazy. I've never seen that before. And of course that is the that bit goes right there, you see. So if you do need to re-sole, that goes right there. Crazy, crazy. I mean, I'm loving what I'm seeing. Just another little encoutrement, and I will just show you what the inside of the box looks like, how it houses it. Let's just get the paper out. As you can see, the box there, you see, so it has this little flap, sorry, do this one, which houses the extra sole. As you can see, there's the side. So yeah, so pretty cool box, as you can see right there. Please just throw them over to the side like so, and then the shoe goes in the middle right there. Really good, really good. So guys, yeah, I would just like to say thank you for taking time and watching this video. Let me know what your thoughts on this pair are. I think they're a stunning pair. I'm hoping to get my size. My daughter is a size 8 in Adidas, I believe. So if not, maybe, you know, if I can't sort of sell these to get my pair, then I might just have to give them to her if they fit. But yeah, beautiful pair. Gorgeous pair. Yeah, third collab of the month, and yeah, I will be doing a rundown of the 3 collabs and asking you which collab you think was the best. Oh, I didn't give you, sorry, heel tab. On the heel tab, it's kind of like that felty thing as well. It's definitely not a suede on the heel tab, which is a shame. It feels cool, but I would rather a premium suede on that bit there. But you know, it's cool, it's whatever. As regards quality, the leather is butter. It's definitely butter, but they've used this felt instead of a suede. I don't know if it's a suede, maybe it is. Guys can correct me, please let me know if it's a suede. But yeah, I think they could have used a premium suede to go along with the really nice leather. But all in all, really nice shoe. You're not going to say these are the best materials you've ever held in hand, but you will be happy with the materials. Alright guys, this has been the CP company Adidas Italia SPEZIAL, and yeah, I have been your host, Phoenix the Fireboy, aka CP company. You see what I did there? And this has been Once We Are Not the Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, Z. And this has been another episode of 2 Feet Bare Creps. And like I said already, man, I've been your host, P Fire. Yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, share, and as always, guys, let me know your thoughts. And yeah, I hope you guys are well. Stay dope, stay fly, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next ride. Oh yeah, also mad shout out to all the people that I camped with, the guys that I met. Mad love to you guys, man. You made it fun, it was dope. And I'm gonna upload that video of the camp out later on. I'm probably gonna have a little rest, upload this, and then upload that one later on. Mad love to you guys, man. Peace.